Do you want to keep some of your photos private? Here is how to add pictures and videos to the built-in hidden album on your iPhone Air, and also let's see where and how to access them. Now to add photos to your hidden album, just go ahead, open up your gallery, hit the select button. Now from here you can select one or multiple photos or videos at once, whatever you want to hide, and then press and hold over the photos and hit the hide option. You can also tap on this three dot and from here hit the hide button as well. And then just tap on this hide photos button. Now where did all those photos go and how can you access that? Well, you're gonna go back and enter the collection section, scroll to the end to utilities, and there you will find your hidden album. Just tap on it to enter. Now it'll automatically take your screen lock or Face ID, whatever is enabled on your iPhone, as an album lock. Just put down the lock and enter the album. But just in case if hidden album is not listed in here, just go ahead, open up settings, scroll till the end for apps, go to Photos app, scroll down in here, find show hidden album option and simply toggle it on. The album will show up in there and you can access it by the same way we have shown you. And afterwards, once again, if you want, you can hide this album. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.